First up, patriotic pride is strong with this Venezuela flag map tee. Uploaded on July 26th, it's already boasting a BSR of 217,937. Next, we're calling all cat ladies. This politically charged, childless cat lady design is perfect for the 2024 election buzz. Uploaded on July 26th, it's rocking a BSR of 305,555. Dog lovers, we've got you covered too. This childless dog lady tee mirrors the previous design, proving variations on a theme can be winners. Uploaded on the same day, it's got a BSR of 429,600. Now this one's interesting. A simple t-shirt design uploaded on July 25th, but don't let that fool you. It's got a BSR of 423,183, showing that sometimes less is more. Speaking of trends, this Kamala Harris 2024 campaign shirt is on fire. Uploaded July 22nd, it's sitting pretty with a BSR of 371,490. And of course, it's not an election year without Trump merch. This JD Vance design uploaded